I think I'm live. I just wasn't sure. It said that I had that was a test. That was me. Okay, cool. I wanted to make sure that was okay. It said that I had lost like a dropped frame rate. So I hope that doesn't happen again. Yeah, that's what I get for putting on so much lipstick. It's all over my straw. So I'm sure I'll be able to come up with some kind of additional reward. Oh, that's like a weird stretch. Oh my goodness. A reward? I like rewards. So let's see here. Boop a doop a doop boop boop boo. What would you like to talk to me about? I'm all ears. I thought that's. Oh, about my moving fees. Let's see here. Yeah. If I have the money for it. Well, oh, 5,000. So let's talk when you manage. Enjoy your island and save up those miles. How do I know that I'm going miles? Miles on out. I feel like there's something burning. He's not burning something in the other room, is he? I hope not. Interesting. Yes, that is the question. My ADD. Well, this island is a diverse other than us. Yes. You keep telling me the same things. Tell me something new. Bring them to me. Okay. So that's all you want. I feel like I want to call him. Is he cooking something? I want to see if he'll pick up. I don't know if he'll pick up. Honey bunch. Let's see here. I want to see if he'll pick up from the other room. I don't like the idea that I smell something that's like burning. Maybe I should just go check. I'm gonna go check really quick. Like, this is concerning me. I will be right back. I don't mean to just go away again, especially after everything got dropped. But I will literally be right back. I don't like the smell that I'm smelling. It's concerning me a little bit, so I will be right back. I need to find my page. There it is. Okay. Okay, so apparently everything is fine. For some odd reason, the hallway smells burnt, but the pizza that my boyfriend is cooking is not. So, okay. Everything's okay. I have a tendency to get paranoid way too easily, and I shouldn't be. I should not be. Whew. Okay. Oh my goodness. Stop. Let's see here. we've got a lovely bunch of coconuts all standing in the row. Big one, small one, some as big as a hip. Filled with the rest. Name that movie too. Hold! I would like to hold my fishing rod. Let's see here. Can I get comfortable? Goodness gracious. Ooh, excuse me. So. Fish. Is it still in front of him? I wasn't sure. I can't see it. Nope. Fishy! There you go. Nibble. 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 Come back. Come back. No, 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 no. Bummer. Doopy doopy doop doop doop. Oh, that looks like a little small fishy. Anything? Let's see here. Be like, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh, nibbler. Oh, come back. Come on. Come on. No. Like, hello, hello, whoever is viewing. Actually, you know what? Let me pick some of these guys up. They look good. Oh, come on. There you go. Do. I have a feeling I'm going to end up getting every last one of these things on the island. But you have to pay for things, and you can sell things to get money. So, fishy? Is there a fishy there? There was. Let's see here. Boop doop doop boop 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 boop. Come on. No. Did he? He went away. Did he go away? I think he went away. He went away. He went away. Let me grab some of these. No, I don't believe I can grab yet. No. I don't think you can grab that large of a rock. But I did grab a really small one the other day. And I was like, ooh. Oh, there are more peaches. I thought I had gotten to all the peaches. But apparently not. Come here. Come here. Boop-a-doop, boop, 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 boop. Let us see. Yeah. Okay, so. Oh, more fishies. I wanted to see. There's a river full of memories. See, my darling, I know what you're doing. All is lost, all is found. I see a fishy over there. Do, please come to me. So you're swimming closer than I thought. Hopefully that wasn't loud. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. No. Because I feel like, no, you are still right there. See, my darling, Savings found. All is lost. Oh, I forgot it does that. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to slightly turn around, but not by much, so that I can get you. No. There we go. You have to get it just right. See, I feel like you're swimming closer. I don't need to give up. Flingin', flingin'. Let me pick you up. Shell. I was like, was it a shell? A cowrie? I feel like I'm not sure how to say that. I'm not good with words sometimes. I know I can't pick you up. Wait, can I? Come here. No. I don't think I can pick you up. I don't think you're allowed to be picked up. Can I just chase after you? Yes, I have a tendency to snort. But all is lost. All is found. Show yourself. Step into your power. Throw yourself. And it's all beautiful. You are the one you've been waiting for all of my life. Oh, show yourself, fishy. Step into something new. Come on. Come on. I yanked that out too soon, didn't I? No. I'm losing my luck on these fish. Fishy. Is there a trick to it that I just don't know anymore? Oh my goodness. I am curious what users in chat. Ooh! That's cool. That's really cool. See my darlings, safe and sound. I'm coming back to that. Ooh, big fish. Is this another dace? Come on. Come on. Why? 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 Ugh. I feel like I am not excelling the way that I should be. Would you rotate the way that I pushed? That was weird. No. Come back. Come back. I'll never let go, Jack. See, I would like to be able to then wiggle. No. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So, you see, will that make, no. I would not normally. It's like I'm trying to look over. That's not gonna help. Oh! Up. He nibbled though. He probably went away. Did you go away? You went away, didn't you? You went away. Come, my darling. Safe and sound. Let us put you away. These contacts. Huh. Do 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 do. For all is lost. All is lost. I'm sorry, I just keep singing that. I feel like, is that entertaining? Okay. I would like. Talk to me. Hello, hello. Hello! I found a creature. I feel like I need him to sell. Yeah, I changed my mind. Water check. Whew. Hmm. And insects. I keep forgetting and insects. Huh. But, do you want me to bring these things? Why am I tired? I took a nap today, too. Can I literally just... No, I have to go through these. All is lost. I think that's pretty great how... No, I did not mean to push. No. I need to be paying attention more. Yet I think it's cool that Kenny's username is recent follower, top tipper, and new tipper. Cool. Okay, so what I would like to do... Let's see here. Hello. I want to sell. What did I offer? I have lots of weeds. Ka-shoo, ka-shoo. 430 bells. I feel like that should be more. Sorry, that was loud. I'm a loud person. Maybe an appealing person? An appealing person. Sure. 7,000. I need to come make it. Okay. Coming in! Why do I have so many voices? Actually, what do you have for sale? A cardboard box. Ooh, campfire cookware. That could be kind of fun. Should I get that? I'm wondering if I should get that. What would be better to get? The better to hear you with, my dear. I have so many things in my brain that I have memorized. Let me see here. Cardboard box or campfire cookware. Wait, what is this? I forgot about that. I forgot that you can do this other stuff. Oh, peaches. Why do I need that many peaches? Oh my goodness. Why am I yawning? Like, serious. I don't even know what I can do with a cardboard box. That's what I get for not... I technically wanted to watch videos about the game, but then I was like, no, I want to make it a surprise. So, campfire cookware. I feel like that would be fun. Campfire. Cookware. Yeah. Excellent purchase. And it's not too expensive. Anything else look interesting? No. No, excuse me. Whew. Please don't hesitate to ask me for assistance. No problem. Whew. I mean, it is 9 o'clock. Yeah, that's still a lot of water. Let me see about... Let me see about that. Why am I yawning? My goodness. Because it is only 9 o'clock. Oh, my nose. Sorry. Let's see here. You know what? If it will let me... Ooh. Campfire cookware. Did I already have cookware? That's my mirror. Cardboard box. Nintendo Switch. Gotcha. Place item. That's cool. That's cool. But should that be... Oh! I didn't mean to... Campfire cookware. What can I then... Ooh! I wonder... Can you put tree branches on the fire there? Apparently not. And I know that should not go into my tent, because if I was able to light it, that would be good. You know what? Let me see. Like a DIY, simple DIY workbench. Let's see here. Learn. Let's learn about this. Huh, okay. That's adorable. Wait, that's all? Wait, am I supposed to... Let's come over here. Let's come into... Oh my god. Into the tent. Oh. How weird is... Oh. That just doesn't feel right. Oh my glob. Oh, oh, oh. Don't need things. Ow! Oh. Falling now. Ugh. My hair. I think it looks okay. What I was thinking before my whole hair thing, should I craft something? Yes. Yes. Let's craft. Let's Lord DIY this thing. Yeah. DIY workbench. Yes. Oh my goodness. Hopefully that didn't look totally weird. Okay. So. Iron nugget. hardwood. Need materials. I can craft the a campfire. Let's do it. Let's do it. Woohoo! I made a campfire. Keep crafting. Whoever is watching, I appreciate you watching. I did do a flimsy. Wait, that is how you can. That's how you can catch the butterflies. Because I know Alexis had caught a butterfly the other day. And she let me come to her island. Her island. Across the sea. Near the river. I need materials. Hardwood and iron nugget. I'm just a little nugget. Only 5'3". I'm actually 5'4". I did do that TikTok. I haven't posted it yet, but if you want to follow me, it's very easy to find. Bright Ever After. Just like my username on here, which is right below down there. With 2 T's, BRITTEVERAFTER. Bright Ever After. That's so cool. See, I then now wonder, ooh, you know what? I think that's cool. So, let's go back. Can I then create fire with my campfire thing? Water check. Water chug. I want to try to do that to my boyfriend. Be like, water chug! Where he and I would then agree to chug water if either one of us yells, water chug! Or water check. Campfire. Flimsy net. I'm so excited. Campfire. No. Place item. Campfire. Wait, yeah. I'm coming. It reminded me of another TikTok that I did. I haven't posted it yet, but I will. Your Majesty. I'm coming. I agree, she's a little bitchy. Oh, I only think one of you should be doing it. I agree. She's a little bitchy. That's so cool. That's so cool in a campfire. Now, if I... That's so cool. Oh my goodness. But one thing I know I haven't done, I have not... No. Go back. I have not eaten anything. I'm going to eat one. Water check. I feel like I need to stop doing that. Water check to whoever's watching. Let's see here. What do I want to do? Co-wire. Did I even say that right? I kind of doubt I said that right. I'm not sure what else to do. I feel like I'm considering wanting to get off. I'm just so ready to take a shower. That's what I'm ready to do. I found a creature, I'll do that. The fish. I have a fish. I just know that I can't technically sell this fish. So. Oh! Okay. Or sell it. Okay. Well, that's good to know. I could sell the fish. So if I can... Exactly what you're offering. I'm gonna sell you my dace. You can't. I can't. You can't stand him. I can't stand him. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. That's another movie. That's another really good movie. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. I'm gonna check this box again. What will you take? I can take one? Did that cost anything? I guess not. Sure. Thanks. But yeah, I think I am about ready to... I'm about ready to get off of here. I feel like normally I wouldn't. Because I stayed on for 2 hours the other day. And it was fun. But yeah, let me see. I will at least... I will come on in here. I thought that was music for a second. I would not mind putting down my... There's no room to put anything here. Well, there should be. There should be. Let's see here. Nope. Nope. Nintendo Switch. Place item. There should be room. Got it. That's cute. Did it... I was wondering if it would do anything. That's a cool. Okay, so. Because I thought you had to push. No! I just scared myself. Cute. God, yes. Ta-da. Because I thought you had to... There you go. You have to, like, move to get up in there. Okay, so. She's gone to bed. I'm not going to go to bed. But I'm glad that I got a little bit done. Not as much as I wanted to, because I really do want to figure out this whole entire everything. I just feel like I need to spend even more time. But yeah, otherwise, I think I'm gonna head on out. So I'm glad that Kenny stopped by, and I'm glad that Alexis stopped by, doing a little dance to the music, to the music, to the music. And I know in the past I have mentioned that if you want to check out any of my other socials, everything is easily what is below, which is Brit Ever After. Literally, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I haven't made too many, but Snapchat. I don't get on to Snapchat too much. I usually get on there just to watch friends' videos, but I sometimes do. But definitely Instagram and YouTube. And I will see you all later, okay? So cool. So, bye guys. Hope you have a nice night. Stay safe. All this stuff is crazy of what's been going on. So, yeah, I love you guys, especially whoever else also joined, even though I think it might have been only momentarily, but that's okay. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I don't know why, like, yine? Wine? I feel like it sounds like I'm whining, but not really. So, yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop. Sigh. Love you guys. I'll see you later.